So just wanted to show you today how to set the time on an automatic watch, or any watch for that matter. The issue with an automatic watch is that the power reserve doesn't really last that long. It'll just be 2 or 3 days at the most after wearing it. So because I've got so many watches, I cycle through them and we come back to the same one and it's evidently stopped in the time that I've not used it. So after shaking it up, getting the hand moving, this is a non-hacking Seiko 5, so it shouldn't stop when I pull out the needle. It'll just keep going. In this instance, I need to disregard the second hand because it's going to be too difficult waiting for it to come back on. I can't stop it anyway. The only way you can do this is when it's very low in power, it will stop. So looking at the date here, today's 31st of May, it's a Thursday, 9:54. So what I'll do is I'll pull this needle out, one click, and because it's Thursday 31st, I'm not going to go for Thursday 31st, I'm going to go for Wednesday. So I'll spin this till it says Wednesday. You'll see why I'm doing this soon. Wednesday the 30th. So what I've done is I've went for the day before, today being 31st, Thursday. So I'm going for Wednesday the 30th. And then I'll pull it out another notch. What I'll do here is I'll keep winding it until the date changes. This way I know if the hands are set to AM or PM. Okay, now we're coming to Wednesday night. Date's just changed to 31st and the day's coming as well. So this is Thursday morning. Thursday the 31st. There's 9 and the time is 9:56. .55, 56. Now as I says, we can't really set the second hand because it's non-hacking, so I'll put the minute hand to 57. And we'll just get the minute hand as close as possible. It's not far off, it's only 3 or 4 seconds behind. But we've got 57 on and second hand is 3 seconds behind. But the date is right, everything else is right. That's us accomplished our goal. This, in case you're wondering, is the Seiko 5 Sports. It's also known as the Sea Urchin, SNZF17. Put it on the NATO strap. And it's also got, if you can see in there, clear case back. It's got a 7S36C automatic movement, which is quite a good movement. So there you have it, how to set the watch and date.